In this lecture of object-oriented programming with C++, today we are going to discuss about how OOP concept was introduced and what is the requirement of it. So as we know, development of software technology is dynamic as new tools and strategies are developed in a quick series. Hence, it is becoming more and more complex and critical day by day, and also it is creating a very competitive situation among the developer, and sometimes it will leads to this software crisis situation. So to deal with this software crisis situation, we need to focus on some of the points. Means to deal with or to avoid this software crisis, we need to see how the correctness of this software, how to maintain the software, that is software maintainability, then reusability of the software, then openness of the software, interoperability, portability, all these points need to be focused to avoid this software crisis. And along with that, we should given more and more importance to prepare a very reusable software while we are building it. To build and to handle this software, we need to have a knowledge about different programming language, and we should have also knowledge about how to handle those software and those application. So knowledge of programming language like modular programming, then top to down programming approach, bottom up programming approach, and structural programming approach is highly required. So initially, in the traditional way, structural programming language was introduced. Structural programming language was introduced. So C programming language is one kind of structural programming language, and this particular tool was very popular in those days. However, with enlargement of the application or programming knowledge, it is difficult to maintain this structural programming. So that's why we move towards object oriented programming. To maintain a large program, a very highly complex program, structural programming language failed. That's why we move towards object oriented programming. Along with that, to prepare a bug free software and easy maintain software, along with that reusable program or reusable software, in that case object oriented programming concept was very much helpful. That's why it has come to the picture. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about different properties of object-oriented programming and some of the application of object-oriented programming. Thank you.